My one shed question for you was, when I was a lad, and I don't want to stretch this too far, but I lived in Sherbrooke in the Dandenongs. There was a restaurant up the road called the Baron of Beef.
Yeah.
And it had this old sort of shed out the back, really dungy kind of bungalowy shed. And you used to rehearse there with Daddy Cool. Yeah. And I used to go up and listen every time you were there.
You sneaky.
Do you remember that shed?
Yeah, I do now.
The egg cartons?
Oh, I just remember this really freezing shed, sort of...
Lindsay Farr.
Lindsay Farr?
The sax player. It's his old man's shed.
Oh, I forgot. I remember the shed. I forgot it was at the Cuckoo and all that.
Yeah, up in the hills.
And it was Lindsay's. But I sort of remember this rehearsal.
Yeah. I want to fess up with you, but I had my first root in that shed after you guys had played in there. And I just wanted to tell you and officially just shake your hand for setting me up so well over the years.
Well, we've been practicing a little shed for a few weeks with a few people. And one of the best nights we ever had, one of the most groovy, funky, dirty, hoed down, smelly, cigarette smoking, pizza eating, bullshit talking nights we ever had in rehearsal was with this man, Ross Hannaford, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi.
Now, Ross, that's a beautiful outfit. You didn't tell us you were going to look so good, man.
love. You try very hard just to ease your mind. You need love. We really need love. We really need love. Thank you very much. Well, I'm a heartbreak man. Can't get nothing love. I'm a heartbreak man. Can't get nothing love. Now, when I go to sleep at night, to the only thing I'm dreaming of. This little piggy ain't a pizza. Yeah. This piggy ain't but ain't a chip. Yeah. But this little piggy coming over your house. He's gonna nibble on your sweet lip. 'Cause I'm a heartbreak. Can't get enough of your love. Now, when I go to sleep at night, you're the only thing I'm dreaming of. Yeah. This little piggy went to London. Yeah. This piggy went to Hong Kong. Yeah. But this little piggy coming over your house. It's gonna piggy with you all night long. 'Cause you're my heartbreak. Can't get enough of your love. Now, when I go to sleep at night, you're the only thing I'm dreaming of. Yeah. I'm a hog. I'm a hog. I'm a hog. A hog. When I go to sleep at night, you're the only thing I'm dreaming of.
Right, Hannaford, ladies, put it together, gentlemen. Thank you so much, Ross. Once again, I think we should bring out the champion, the lady of the night, as they say down these parts. I'd like to introduce someone to you that, well, I've been inspired by, and I've been moved, and I've learned the serious side of music and the funny side of music, and then I've learned about real music. So I want you to put your hands together for this woman, because what, hey, she can sing the ass off everyone in this world. Let's hear it for Renee Gayer. Come on.
I wish I could sing my ass off though. Be good if I could sing my own ass off. That was a little bit too long of a laugh. Am I the only one standing? Okay. Na 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 na. Ain't nothing so sad as an empty house. There's nothing so sad as an empty house. Singing,
nothing so
sad as an empty house. You've abandoned me. Love don't live here anymore. Just a vacancy. Love don't live here anymore. When you lived inside of me, there was nothing I could conceive that you would not do for me. Trouble seems so far away. You change right away. You've abandoned me. Love don't live there, no, no more. Just a vacancy. Love don't live here anymore. Love don't live here anymore. Just emptiness and memories of what we used to have. You went away, found another place to stay, another home. You've abandoned me. I don't live there no more. Just a memory. I don't live here anymore. Through the windows of my mind, everybody can see loneliness inside of me. Why'd you have to go away? Don't you know I love you, need you so? You've abandoned me. Love don't live there anymore.
is an empty house. Nothing so sad as an empty house.
And there's no more love, no more.
Nothing so sad,
So sad
as an empty house.
Nothing so sad.
Is an empty
No.
Nothing so sad as an empty house.
What's Hannaford? Thank you. Ooh, this is good. This is a man's world. It's a man's world. But it would be nothing. Nothing. Without a woman or a girl. You see, man made the car to take us over the road. The train carried a heavy load. Man made the electric light take us down dark. The boots for the water like no one made the earth. It's a man's world, but I know there's nothing without a woman or a girl. Man thinks about a little baby girl and a baby boy. It makes him happy when he buys them toys. And after everything, he makes everything he can. He makes money to buy from other man. I know this is a man's world.
Thank you very much. You just gotta get a shit, mate.
Shit.
Tony's just he's doing lighting, but
Yes, we're trying to make sure everyone knows everything.
yeah, if I get sick, you know, Tony's in. That's basically the law.
Where's your tape?
Where's the lighting board?
Yeah, that way.